It's been incredible. As a head of school, having head of school luncheons and breakfasts and opportunities to unpack problems of practice that we have in our schools and hearing other people riff off of them, provide anecdotes or strategies that they've used in their schools has been almost as valuable as working with the ISM experts themselves, because there's a chance to have those real, like, this is what you're going to face as you go through this. This is a peer. When you're a head of school, you don't have a lot of people that you can connect with on a daily basis who can really understand the things that you're going to. But here, there's a chance that they really set aside opportunities to do that kind of work in a really meaningful and powerful way.
I really enjoy meeting other people from other schools, and I'm actually new to this field. So I just moved to this field in December after being in higher ed for 4 years. And so for me, it's especially nice to have this time to connect with other people and talk about all kinds of different things, or other people who might be in a new school, a new environment.